Hey guys! Today let's learn how to deactivate Facebook without affecting our messenger. So if you guys would like to go ahead and deactivate your Facebook only without affecting your messenger applications, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so in order for us to do this, basically, what we need to do first is to go ahead and basically tap on our Facebook applications. And I want you to go ahead and tap on your menus right here. Next, let's tap on our settings, gearbox or gear icon. Let's tap on see more in account center. This is gonna show you, of course, your Facebook account center. Let's tap on personal details and account ownership and control, and then let's tap on deactivation or deletion. What I want you to do here is to choose your preferred account, and then let's just go ahead and proceed with the account deactivation. Now I want you to go ahead and tap on deactivate account and tap on continue and tap on continual once more. And basically, all we need to do lastly is to enter the password of our Facebook account to successfully deactivate it. Now, doing this won't necessarily affect your Messenger account. So once you go ahead and deactivate your Facebook, you can still be using your Messenger accounts on the Messenger application. So go ahead and just do this and keep on. Continue using the Messenger applications, and you're good to go. That is basically for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys would learn something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.